Announced in November 2025, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III stands as Canon's newest addition to its full-frame mirrorless lineup, designed to meet the evolving needs of both photographers and videographers. Positioned as an enthusiast-level camera, it bridges the gap between professional performance and user-friendly versatility. The R6 Mark III embodies Canon's commitment to hybrid shooters, offering advanced imaging capabilities alongside robust video features. Its design philosophy prioritizes durability, portability, and intuitive controls, making it suitable for fast-paced environments and creative workflows. With a weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis and a suite of connectivity options, the camera is tailored for those who demand reliability and flexibility. Whether capturing high-resolution stills or cinematic video, the R6 Mark III aims to deliver a comprehensive solution for content creators seeking a single, powerful tool. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III introduces a significant upgrade with its 32.5-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering sharper images and greater flexibility for cropping and post-processing. Its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system ensures precise subject tracking with enhanced eye and body detection for reliable performance in dynamic scenarios. High-speed burst shooting is another highlight, offering up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action. The robust in-body image stabilization system provides up to 8.5 stops of compensation, allowing for steady, handheld shots even in challenging lighting conditions. Professional-grade video features include 7K AW light recording at up to 60p, oversampled 4K, and support for Canon log profiles, catering to demanding videographers. Connectivity is streamlined with dual card slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a full-size HDMI port for efficient workflow and remote control. The camera's weather-sealed magnesium alloy build, paired with a high-resolution OLED viewfinder and vari-angle touchscreen, ensures durability and versatility in the field. For photographers, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III stands out with its high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus system, making it particularly well-suited for action, wildlife, and event photography, where speed and precision are essential. Videographers will appreciate the camera's robust video capabilities, including 7K RAW recording and flexible color grading options, which cater to professional production needs. Hybrid content creators benefit from the camera's versatility, durable build, and comprehensive connectivity options, providing a reliable solution for both stills and video projects. It's important to consider battery life, especially during extended shoots or when using high-resolution video modes, as frequent recharging may be necessary. Additionally, while the RF lens ecosystem continues to expand, users should verify lens compatibility and availability to ensure their specific requirements are met. Overall, the R6 Mark III delivers impressive imaging performance, advanced features, and solid value, though users should remain mindful of battery endurance and lens selection as potential limitations.